Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to star question 134. A. Yes, sir. The scheme Beautification of Umiam Viewpoint has been approved for an amount of rupees 200 lakhs white letter.
Tourism Minister Sniawbhalang Dhar today informed that the approved amount of rupees 200 lakh is not sufficient for the scheme for beautification of Umiam Viewpoint, which has left the department not to take up the scheme and are now examining for new source of funding for taking up the project.
Amount of rupees 700 lakhs. The proposal had the following components. Phase 1 civil work. A fast deck 100 millimeter. 1 steel fabricated deck with staircase, amount 206.65 lakhs. 2 kiosks 45 numbers, rupees 30 lakhs 0.02. And 3 elevators lift 2 numbers, rupees 27.14 lakhs. 4 glass railings, rupees 9.20 lakhs. 5 public convenience, rupees 30 lakhs. And B second deck 80 millimeter. 1 steel fabricated deck with staircase, rupees 190.22 lakhs. 2 food kiosks, rupees 26.89 lakhs. And 3 entrance foyers, rupees 40.96 lakhs. And 4 elevator lifts 1 number, rupees 13.57 lakhs. And 5 public convenience, rupees 15 lakhs. And C super supporting structures, 1 landscaping and retaining walls with metal railings, rupees 22.59 lakhs. And 2 developments of parking area with cobbles, rupees 10.21 lakhs. For non-civil works, 1 solar street light and bollard for landscaping, rupees 4.96 lakhs. 2 signage information and directional, 3.78 lakhs. And 3 procurements of supporting infrastructure, furniture and sitting benches, rupees 10 lakhs. And 4 solid waste management and integrated sewerage system and site drainage system, rupees 6.60 lakhs. And 5 water supply, rupees 6.26 lakhs. And total civil and non-civil work is come to 654.04 lakhs. At contingencies, consultancies, labor cess and quality control, 8% total it come to 52.30 lakhs and grand total 706.37 lakhs. However, Mr. Speaker, as the approved amount is not sufficient to meet the above proposal, and as items of work are interrelated and partial implementation of the scheme, due to shortfall in the sanction amount will not meet with the objective of this proposal, and the scheme has not been taken up, and the department is now examining for a new source of funding for taking up of the projects. B. SAR does not arise in view at A above, and C does not arise in view at A above.
Honourable Speaker, sir.
Yes, Major.
As the scheme has not been taken up based on reply to start question 134A, may I know the exact location, sir, of this proposed project, sir?
Mr. Speaker, right in the Umiam Viewpoint that is called Rendang Brew.
So then, from the amount that has been sanctioned for 2 crores, has any amount been spent, sir, for development of that particular identified spot, sir?
No, Mr. Speaker, actually I already replied very clearly in my reply, since we are sending for the whole amount, so now we are planning to take up this from the other source of funding. As of now, the 2 crore we didn't do anything, Mr. Speaker. Even the work we haven't allowed it because due to the short, I think in the reply is very clear. It's very clear still that.
So then, is it possible, sir, from at least this amount that is present with the government, at least the facilities, the public utilities required and parking space can be thought of, because it has become an eyesore, sir, to see people using the entire area there. It has become a menace sometimes and a polluting spot rather, because of improper public utilities and waste management systems and improper parking space. And sir, at night also that entire space people are parking there. So if some solar street lights also can be provided, sir, at least with this amount that is present, so that the other infrastructure can come whenever the funding is possible, sir. This is my request, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, the point raised by the member is very, very important. So we'll try to get the scheme sanction. We'll try to get the scheme sanction at the earliest.